So my iPhone has a new R2D2 app. It's just a concept at this point. So it's to make a user interface on top of what I had before. So I have only simple screens, only 5 screens. This is my main screen with a way to turn R2 to several stages of alertness. So that would turn different subsystems on, the motors, the sound, or just the lights. And in this screen it has all the actions that you use most of the time. So that would be why open the panels, do the scream and things like that. And since you run easily out of button on an iPhone, I made another panel. It's not completed yet. And then for the detail screen I have only 4 of them. For example, let's go to the sound. So at this point it runs on auto, and of course you can have adjust the loudness. And if you want a specific sound, then you can go on the roses here and try the music sound, for example, and here they are. So the nice thing is that with the interface over here, you can give them names. You have enough space for all of them. Or you could do the sad sounds have no name, or the generic sounds. I have a ton of them, so I just left the numbers. If you want to control the panels into more details, you go into panels over here, and so you can select them, just the bottom, the top, all of them, none of them, or just a few at a time. And same thing, you can open them, you can put them under RC control and that sort of things. For the holo, the same type of interface here, and on holos you could do the lights, you can have them move, you could have them under RC control, so nothing on the second panel yet. And then I have the logic I haven't implemented yet, but hopefully you can send some text to each of them and turn all the lights with the effects that the Jedi can do. So that's it, not many screens, but we'll see what it does. And if you wonder why you haven't heard from me in a while, just give you an idea of how difficult it is to write GUIs, and this is just the files needed for my very simple 5 screens, and every little element on the screen you have to generate a file for it, and then you have to go and read the awful iOS book and the 700 pages of it and figure out how to jailbreak it if you want to have access to the RS-232 port. So that gives you a better appreciation for what the folks like Flipside did. Those guys are real good professional GUI developers. They're super good at it. It's a lot of work. Stick to your Arduinos.